Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, where we unlock the secrets to financial freedom through crypto. Have you ever dreamed of earning passive income in the crypto world without constantly trading or monitoring charts? If so, crypto nodes might be the perfect solution for you. But what exactly are crypto nodes, and how can you profit from them? In this video, I'll explain what crypto nodes are, why they're essential for blockchain networks, and most importantly, how you can make passive income by running or staking on nodes. Stick around to discover the tools, strategies, and platforms that can help you maximize your earnings while minimizing risk. Check the description below for links to the helpful tools. Let's dive in. Part 1. What are crypto nodes? At its core, a crypto node is a computer or device that helps maintain and verify a blockchain network. 3 key functions of nodes. 1. Data validation. Nodes validate transactions and ensure they follow the blockchain's rules. 2. Network security. By verifying blocks, nodes help secure the network against attacks. 3. Decentralization. The more nodes a blockchain has, the more decentralized it becomes. 3 types of crypto nodes. 1. Full nodes. Store the entire blockchain history and validate all transactions, for example, Bitcoin full nodes. 2. Light nodes. Only download parts of the blockchain and rely on full nodes for validation. 3. Masternodes. Specialized nodes that perform extra tasks, like processing private transactions or governance voting, in exchange for rewards, for example, Dash, Scoin. Part 2. How to make passive income with crypto nodes. Now that you know what crypto nodes are, let's explore how they can generate passive income. 1. Running masternodes. Masternodes are one of the most popular ways to earn rewards from crypto nodes. By locking up a certain amount of cryptocurrency as collateral, you can run a masternode and earn passive income. How it works: you set up and maintain a masternode for a specific blockchain, like Dash, PIVX, or Scoin. Rewards: earn a percentage of the block rewards or transaction fees. Example: running a Dash masternode can yield up to 6% annually. Pro tip: tools like 3 commas can help you automate the monitoring and optimization of your masternode earnings. 2. Staking on validator nodes. For proof-of-stake POS blockchains like Ethereum 2.0, Solana, and Polkadot, you can earn rewards by staking your tokens on validator nodes. How it works: stake your tokens to support a validator node. Validators process transactions and secure the network. Rewards: typically 5 to 12% APY, depending on the blockchain. Platforms to use: CoinStats. Track your staking rewards across multiple wallets and platforms. Safepool, a secure hardware wallet to manage and stake your tokens. 3. Operating full nodes for incentives. While full nodes don't usually pay direct rewards, some blockchains like Bitcoin and Monero offer incentive programs for running full nodes to strengthen the network. Example: Bitcoin's Lightning Network allows node operators to earn fees by routing transactions. 4. Node hosting services. If running a node sounds too technical, you can use hosting services that do the heavy lifting for you. Platforms. All Nodes offers masternode and staking as a service. MyCoiner, a beginner-friendly platform for staking and node hosting. Part 3. Tools you need to get started. Here are the best tools to simplify the process and maximize your earnings. CoinStats. Monitor your node rewards and track your portfolio across multiple blockchains. Glassnode. Analyze on-chain data to identify the most profitable nodes to run or stake on. Safepool Wallet, a secure wallet to manage and stake your cryptocurrencies. 3 commas. Automate your masternode rewards tracking and optimize your profits. Part 4. Benefits and risks of crypto nodes. 3 benefits. Passive income. Earn rewards without actively trading. Support blockchain networks. Contribute to decentralization and security. Scalability. Start with a smaller investment by staking instead of running a full node. 3 risks. Technical setup. Running a node requires some technical knowledge and hardware. Volatility. Rewards are paid in crypto, which is subject to price fluctuations. Lock-up periods. Staking or collateral for masternodes may require locking up funds for a set time. Pro tip: minimize risk by diversifying across multiple blockchains and node types. Part 5. Step-by-step guide to running a masternode. 1. Choose a blockchain. Research masternodes with good ROI and a stable ecosystem, for example, Dash, PIVX. 2. Purchase the required collateral. buy the required amount of tokens and store them securely in a wallet like Safepool. 3. Set up the node. Follow the blockchain setup guide or use a hosting service like Allnodes for easier configuration. 4. Start earning rewards. Monitor your rewards with tools like CoinStats and reinvest earnings to compound your returns. Crypto nodes are an incredible way to earn passive income while supporting blockchain networks. Whether you're running Masternodes, staking on validator nodes, or using node hosting services, there's a strategy for every skill level. If you found this video helpful, check out the description for tools and resources to get started today. Smash the like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and turn on notifications so you never miss a crypto tip. Thanks for watching.